Most people treat restart like a magic fix. Something breaks, the PC slows down, an error appears. Restart feels like the answer. But there's one Windows setting most users never notice, and it quietly decides whether restart actually helps or just pretends to. In this video, I'll explain why restart doesn't always solve problems, and how a background Windows feature can keep issues alive without you realizing it. Stay with me, because once you see this, you won't use restart the same way again. Restart can help in simple cases. It clears short-term memory and resets small glitches. But when problems go deeper, restart often just masks them. Here's a real-life example millions of users experience. Your PC feels slow right after a Windows update. You restart it, things seem okay for a moment, then the lag comes back. That's not a coincidence, and it's very common. The setting most people don't know about. Modern Windows versions don't fully shut down the system anymore. To make computers start faster, Windows keeps part of the system saved in temporary memory. That means your PC doesn't always start fresh. Only now I'll name it. This feature is called Fast Startup. Fast Startup reloads parts of Windows instead of clearing everything. So if something was already wrong, it can quietly return. Driver issues may reload, small system errors can stay, and damaged files don't repair themselves automatically. Restart may feel like it worked, but sometimes it just delays the issue. And this is where most people make one mistake. I'll circle back to it in a moment. Why restart isn't a clean reset. Some background tasks don't fully reset with restart. So if your PC was slow or freezing before, it may behave the same way again. Windows also reuses temporary system data instead of loading everything from scratch. That saves time, but it also allows small errors to continue. Even performance issues can linger because not every internal process is fully refreshed. This doesn't mean restart is useless. It just isn't designed to fix deeper problems. A quick word on malware. Most everyday threats are stopped easily, but in rare cases, rare but real advanced malware can survive a restart by hiding deeper in the system. This doesn't happen often, but when it does, restart alone won't remove it. Security features like TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot help protect startup processes, but they don't block every possible threat, especially ones already inside system files or drivers. What about Shift plus shutdown or emergency restart? Holding Shift while clicking shutdown forces a full shutdown. That clears saved startup data and gives your PC a cleaner start. Emergency restart using Control plus Alt plus Delete is helpful when the system freezes, but it's designed for recovery, not deep cleanup. They help in specific situations, just not everyone. Is Microsoft doing this on purpose? This is less about intent and more about incentives. Fast Startup exists to make Windows feel fast. Faster startups look better to users, but that speed sometimes comes at the cost of fully clearing errors. When systems don't completely reset, fewer issues appear as crash reports. That can make Windows seem more stable on the surface. And when performance stays poor, many users assume their hardware is outdated, not that Windows is holding on to problems. What to do instead? The simple fix. Here's that mistake I mentioned earlier. Most people press restart when they should be using shutdown. If your PC is acting up, do this instead. Turn off Fast Startup in Power Settings. Use shutdown, not restart. After shutting down, wait about 15 seconds before turning the PC back on. If you suspect system file issues, run sfc/scannow checkdisk/f/r. And if malware is a concern, run a deep scan before restarting. Restart isn't bad. It's just misunderstood. Sometimes it delays fixes. Sometimes it keeps errors alive. Sometimes it makes Windows feel fast instead of healthy. Now you understand one of the biggest PC myths.